In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get started with Taplink step by step, even if it's your very first time using it. If you've ever felt limited by only having one link in your Instagram or TikTok bio, Taplink is the solution. Instead of forcing your followers to choose just one place to go, Taplink lets you bring all your important links, pages, and even products together in one clean, mobile friendly space. So think of it like building a mini website without needing any coding skills. You can add text, images, videos, forms, social media buttons, and even payment options all from inside Taplink. And the best part is you can do all of this in just a few minutes. And stick around because in a minute I'll show you how to publish your page and generate a QR code so people can scan it directly. So if you're ready to learn how to set up your Taplink, customize it, and start sharing it on your socials, let's jump right in. So to begin, go to Taplink website. Taplink is more than just a basic link in bio tool. Think of it as creating a mini website that works perfectly on mobile. You can share this one link across Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere else. This is powerful because instead of showing just one link, you can share everything that matters on your YouTube channel, TikTok profile, shop link, or even a form for leads. And stick around because in a minute I'll show you how to publish your page and even create a QR code for it. On the homepage, enter your email address and click Get Started for free. You can also sign in with Google. I'll use Google since it's faster and avoids making another password. And the best part is, Taplink offers a basic version that's free forever. If you need more customization or business tools, there's also a pro plan starting at $3 per month and a business plan at $6 per month. And don't skip ahead because I'll explain these plans in detail before we wrap up. And once you're signed in, the first thing you'll do is pick a template. Taplink gives you a different styles, featured templates, simple link in bio layouts, landing page designs, and for this demo, I'll choose a landing page template. I want something that looks nice, but still lets me add multiple links. And click on the one that you like and hit choose. And here's a quick tip here. Don't worry too much about finding the perfect template. You can edit and rearrange everything later because templates are just a starting point. And stick around because in a moment I'll show you how to use or how to customize fonts and colors so it feels fully yours. Inside the editor, you'll see your page is made of blocks. Each block is one section, like title, text, or button. To edit, just click on the block. And for example, I click on the top title and change it into none of the above. You can choose whether it's a small, medium, or large headline. Larger headlines stand out more at the top. Next, click on the double A icon to pick your font. I'll select serif style here. You can also change alignment, toggle bold, italics, underline, or change the font color. And when you're happy, click Save Changes. And here's something most people don't even know. Even small text changes, like picking a cleaner font, can make your page look professional instead of amateur. And below the headline, there's usually a smaller text block. Right now, it says UI or UX designer, but I'll change it to freelancer. I'll turn off bold to keep it simple. And if you like, add an emoji by clicking the emoji icon. It's a fun touch, but don't overuse it. And stick around because in a minute, I'll show you how to add your YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook links so they all connect here. And right now, I'll rename the contact info section to social media. This makes more sense for most visitors since they'll be looking for profiles. Adjust the text style if needed. Then click Save Changes. And some templates come with placeholder blocks that you don't need, like a random email or website link. So to remove them, just click the block and delete it. And don't miss this part because it's really important. A cleaner page performs better. If visitors see too much clutter, they might leave without clicking anything. Now let's add the links that matter. Click Add Block, select Social Networks, type in YouTube and paste your channel link, and hit Save. Repeat the same for TikTok, add the headline, paste the link, and save. And do the same thing for Facebook. In just a few clicks, you've connected 3 platforms. And stick around because in a minute, I'll show you how to reorder these blocks so your most important link always comes first. Now it's time to style your page. Taplink lets you change the placement, colors, and fonts of your blocks. And here's also a quick design rule. Pick one strong accent color for buttons and keep the background neutral. So for example, if your brand color is blue, make your buttons blue and keep the background white or light gray. And here's also something most people don't know. Using too many colors can actually lower conversion. A simple, consistent palette always looks more polished. And when you're happy with your edits, click Get the Link. Choose your username. I'll choose none of the above. Taplink will generate your live link immediately. You can also download a QR code. This is super useful if you want to add it to business cards, posters, or packaging. People can scan it and go straight to your Taplink page. And click Connect, and that's it. Your Taplink is live. Copy the link and paste it into your Instagram, TikTok, or any other bio. And here's a quick look at the design that we just created. A simple page with a profile image, a title that says none of the above, a subtitle freelancer, a portfolio section with Behance and Dribble links, and a social media section with YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Clean, simple, and ready to share. So before we end, let's quickly go over the plans so that you know which one is best for you. So the basic plan is free forever. This is perfect if you just want a simple page with unlimited links, text blocks, social icons, maps, and page view stats. This is great for individuals or beginners. So for Pro, it's $3 per month or $36 per year. This unlocks professional templates, custom designs, and the ability to add images, videos, and music, plus price list, custom HTML, pixel support, and scheduled block display. This is ideal for creators who want a more customized look and analytics. And lastly, we have the business plan. It's $6 per month or $72 per year. It includes everything in Pro, plus internal pages, digital products, application forms, payments, branding removal, CRM tools, automated emails, SSL certificates, and custom domains. This plan is designed for entrepreneurs who want to sell directly through Taplink and manage their leads more seriously. And here's a pro tip. Start with the basic plan to get comfortable. And once you see the results and want to sell products or run promotion, then consider upgrading. And that's it. You've now set up your very own Taplink page from scratch. We signed up, picked a template, edited the text, added social media links, customized the design, previewed the result, and finally published the page. And remember, your Taplink is more than just a random link. It's a mini website where people make quick decisions, whether to follow you, watch your content, or even buy from you. So keep it clean, simple, and focused. Here's something most people don't realize as well, that your Taplink isn't a set it and forget it tool. Updating it regularly makes a huge difference. Every week, check your analytics, move your most important link to the top, and remove anything that no longer serves your audience. This way, your Taplink always reflects your current goals. You can also experiment with colors, fonts, or button labels until you find what gets the most clicks. So for example, changing a button from click here to watch now can actually boost your results. Small changes here can add up over time. And if you're starting out, stick with the free plan and master the basics. And later, when you're ready for analytics, forms, or selling products, upgrade to Pro or Business. That way, you're only paying once you're ready to use the advanced tools. And I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, share it with a friend who's also building their link in bio. Thank you so much for watching. Keep experimenting with your Taplink to make it truly yours. And I'll see you on the next one.